Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word.
Donaudampfschifffahrtselektrizität Hauptbetriebsbergbau unter Beamtengesellschaft.
Which means a German compound word for an association of subordinate officials of the Danube Steamboat Electrical Services Headquarters building. Let's say it all together.
Donaudampfschifffahrtselektrizitäten Hauptbetriebsbergbau unter Beamtengesellschaft.
One more time.
Donaudampfschifffahrtselektrizitäten Hauptbetriebsbergbau unter Beamtengesellschaft.
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one.
Do, now, Dampf, Schiff, A-H-R-T, S, Lek, Tri, Z-I-T, Haupt, Betriebswerk, Bau, unter, Beamten, Gesellschaft.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.